message to women that bring out the Shakta spirit in you. That, you know, it's okay to be feminine as well as be an embodiment of Shakti.
Absolutely.
That both are aspects of women.
Yes, and the minute any man sees that Shakti रूपेनु संस्थिता, जब भी वो शक्ति रूप किसी भी औरत का कोई भी मर्द दिखता है ना, वो वहाँ से भागेगा.
Yeah,
वो
true.
बहुत सिंपल है. वो बस वो समझने की बहुत ज़रूरत है. और मेरी ये फिल्मों से, जैसे कि मर्दानी हुई, मिसेस चैटर्जी इन अ वे वाज आल्सो डिपिक्टिंग द सेम स्ट्रेंथ, बट स्ट्रेंथ दैट केम फ्रॉम अ मदर्स लव टू विन हर चिल्ड्रन बैक. And she never bowed down. She fought the authorities. She made sure that her children came back to her. That is also a form of strength. You know, the perseverance, the fighting, that never to fail spirit, that there will be society, there will be people who will try to pull you down. They will try to make you unsuccessful, but you have to persevere and keep going onto the path till you don't succeed. And I think that spirit, nobody should be able to diminish in a woman.
Did anybody
because
try
every
with
woman,
you, Rani?
See, every woman at whatever stage in their life, you know, have faced that. Within the family, outside the family, within society, in their workspace, outside their workspace, anywhere. They have experienced that. And it's very important that they believe that कुछ भी हो जाए, हम किसी को नीचा नहीं दिखाने देंगे. हम करेंगे, हम जाएंगे, हम फाइट करते हुए हम आगे बढ़ेंगे.
There'll be people who try to create, because self-doubt is something that most women have, right?
No, but
After
it's not
certain
even
age.
women. I think men also have
Men
self,
also have
self-doubt.
self-doubt.
So self-doubt is a thing that's going to creep in any individual, irrespective of gender. But I'm talking purely about a woman's strength. You know, in situations that men don't face. You know, and in those times, I think women should recognize who they are and what they stand for.
And also, it's a nice thing that, roles are being written for mature women, which didn't happen to the women before your generation. They had to just go away from once they had, got married, had kids. Uske baad wo auntie wala role
I am
only.
born to break myths. I am born to shatter the glass ceiling. I am born to do that. That's what my dad instilled in me. That I have to forge my path and I have to make an example of everything that I do. And I want to inspire young girls. I want to inspire my daughter. I want to inspire girls in India, the young minds, you know, and make them believe that nothing is impossible. अगर आप में शिद्दत है, आप में वो faith है, have the patience and keep working towards it, and it's going to happen.
You're such a strong woman, and looking at you, you're so petite and you're smiling and you look a happy person. But to think that there is such a resilience and strength in you, and such a long career span with such fabulous work that you have done.
And still
It's
more
amazing.
to do.
More to do.
Still more. I have so much more to do. And I want to keep meeting you where you keep telling me that we love this, we love that. And I want to keep increasing. Like I always believe that the quantity of the number of roles doesn't matter for me. It is the quality of the work that I do. And I want with each film that my audiences feel that this one was a good one. And I always want that.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.